If you want to remove a background in CapCut quickly and cleanly, this tutorial is going to walk you through the exact steps on CapCut PC. This is perfect if you're working on a talking head video, a product clip, or any project where you want to isolate the subject and remove the background without needing complicated editing software. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you haven't started a project yet, go ahead and create a new one so you can begin with a clean workspace. Once CapCut is open, import the video you want to edit. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into the media area or by using the import option inside CapCut. After your video is imported, drag it down onto the timeline. This step is important because CapCut can only apply edits once the clip is placed into your project timeline. Make sure the clip is on the track you want to work with and if needed. Trim it first so you're only removing the background from the section you actually want to use. Now click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. When the clip is selected, you should see editing options appear in the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of its visual tools, effects, and video adjustments. We're going to use that panel to find the background removal feature. In the right panel, go to Video, then look for Remove BG. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, the option may be labeled a little differently, but you're looking for the background removal tool. Once you find it, click Auto Removal or click Remove Background if that's the wording shown on your screen. At this point, CapCut will begin processing the video. This is where the software analyzes your clip and separates the subject from the background. The processing time can vary depending on the length of your video and the strength of your computer, so give it a moment to finish. Don't rush this part, because CapCut needs time to generate the result properly. Once the process is complete, your background should be removed automatically, leaving you with the subject isolated from the original scene. You can then place a new background behind it, add a color layer, or keep it transparent depending on the style of your video. If the result doesn't look perfect the first time, don't worry. You can usually try adjusting the clip, checking the edges, or making small edits to improve the final look. For clips with busy backgrounds or fast movement, you may need to fine-tune things a little more. But the auto removal tool is still a fast and easy way to get professional looking results. And that's how to remove a background in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.